Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see how to draw the projection of a triangular plate of a 30 mm side having one of its side AB in VP and with its surface inclined at 62 VP. So now side is in VP. So when you will draw, let's say this is HP VP, this is horizontal plane, this is vertical plane, and one of the side is in VP. So that side is like this and surface inclined at 60 degree to VP. So it will be somewhat like this. Now this is our final stage. So we need to draw it in VP. So side will be in VP. So this is our final stage. Initial stage would be like this, right? So first we will draw it in VP and then we will draw incline to VP. So first we will draw XY line. Then we will draw an equilateral triangle of side 30. This will be in front view. And the side will come on left side. Always remember, in planes, resting edge, resting corner will come on left hand side. It is not necessary that it should come on left hand side, but generally we have observed that 99% of the people, they follow this rule. They always take resting edge corner on left hand side. Then we'll name them A dash, B dash, C dash, AC and B. After that, surface incline at 60 degree to VP. So we'll take 60 degree and we'll take AB and we'll cut. So this is A, C and B. This will be dark. After that, we'll project AC from here and B from here. And A dash from here, C dash from here and B dash from here. So we'll get the required triangle. See this. Over here we'll get A dash, C dash and B dash. So remember, it is dash. It is not without dash because it is front view. See, I have written front view and top view. So I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.